Hello, in front of me I've got Vivo Y16. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap Add a Card button and firstly let's select Loyalty. Select loyalty card you would like to add. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Save and it's done. Now go back, select gift card, and now select card you would like to add similar to loyalty card. Enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Save. In the end, let's enter public transport, and if you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your passes will appear on the homepage of Google app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.